Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doomfist in Overwatch 2. Doomfist is a powerful damage dealer and disruptor, excelling in close-quarters combat. His kit revolves around high mobility and impactful abilities designed to punch through enemy defenses. You'll learn how to effectively engage, secure eliminations, and survive team fights. Mastering his unique playstyle requires understanding his ability cooldowns and optimal engagement ranges. Let's dive into his core abilities and how to use them to dominate the battlefield. Doomfist's abilities synergize for devastating combos. Start with Seismic Slam to pull enemies in, then follow up with a fully charged Rocket Punch for maximum impact. Power Block is crucial for survival and empowering your next Rocket Punch, making it a one-shot threat against squishier targets. His ultimate, Meteor Strike, is perfect for initiating fights, escaping danger, or finishing off low-health enemies. Practice these combinations in the training range to build muscle memory and execute them flawlessly in-game. Effective positioning is key to Doomfist's success. Always look for opportunities to flank and dive the enemy backline, catching them off guard. Prioritize high-value targets such as enemy supports or damage dealers who are out of position. Remember to use natural cover to your advantage while waiting for your abilities to come off cooldown. Timing your engagements with your team's push ensures that your disruption leads to successful eliminations and objective control. Avoid diving alone into a full enemy team. For advanced play, learn to cancel Rocket Punch to quickly reposition or fake out opponents. Master the art of using Power Block not just for damage absorption, but also to bait out crucial enemy abilities. Be mindful of heroes that can counter Doomfist, such as Sombra with her hack, Orisa with her Fortify and Javelin Spin, or Roadhog with his hook. Understanding these matchups will help you adjust your strategy and choose your engagements wisely. Continuous practice will refine your Doomfist skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.